Welcome to Professor Outreach Pro platform. So here in this platform, we actually evolve to craft customized emails for professors, for the students who are actually willing to pursue PhD or master's program. So basically, this is our UI looks like. So uh, then how it's work. So first of all, you have to sign up using your email address. You have to enter your details, your resume or CV, and then you can generate the email. So let me go to the dashboard, like how it's actually look like. So here you can see I have the profile info, my full name, address, and my CV that I have added right there, and the email signature. So the email signature basically that you are providing the same email signature that will be attached after generating the email. So make sure that you add all your portfolio website details, LinkedIn, GitHub repo, everything into here. And it's customizable. That means you can update whenever you want. Now go to the dashboard section. So here you have to provide the professor information, then you have to provide a subject line. So basically this is optional, but you can also add a subject line there. And uh, let me also show you the plans available for right now. So if you go to the pricing plan, you can see we have three plans right there: free tier, monthly plan, and yearly plan. So you can choose any of them. For now, you can choose free tier, and also you can try it out and let us know your feedback as well. So now I am in this dashboard section. So here you have to actually provide the email professor information. So for example, I am using this professor, and I am copy and pasting uh, his her information right there, and also I am providing our Google Scholar account details, like what are the publications does she made, and I am also copy and pasting everything right there. And you can also add PhD position in 2024, something like this. And if you click generate email, you have to first wait for some time, then it will generate the email, customized generate email for based on your CV for this particular professor. So let's just wait for a moment. And yeah, so we got the email, and you can see our email generated that also been updated. We have generated three emails so far, and this is the subject line, this is the email body, and this is uh, the email signature as well. So here you can also customize your SOP, statement of purpose. So you have to also copy and paste the professor information, and if you have your LaTeX SOP template, you can also copy and paste right there, and your target program. So based on your target program, it will customize the SOP. And here the professor suggestion. So basically professor suggestion means that if you provide any university name based on your university, it will craft or it will suggest the top five professors that are matched with your CV or resume. So if you click find professor, it will actually provide you all the top five professors that are in this particular university. So you can also do that as well. So let's just wait for a moment to provide the list of professors. And by the way, you can also add any university right there. So here you can see professor 1, professor 2, 3, 4, 5. So it provides list of professor name, department, research interest, email, website, everything right there. And also send time calculator. So for example, you are in one region and your professor is another region, then you want to actually optimize your sending time, so that whenever the professor opens his or her inbox, your email actually gets in the top section. So that's why you have to provide the professor information, and you have to provide the time zone, like which time zone that you are from. And if you click calculate send time, it will generate the optimal sending time for your email. So yeah, that's it for Professor Outreach Pro platform. You can try it out and let us know whether you are facing any issues or not. So thank you.